All right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olakunle Yinka. So I welcome you to this wonderful telecom business. Today I'll be taking you on how to buy cheap data, cheap airtime, e-commerce, utility bills from this wonderful website. So what is the name of the website? The name of the website is www.atmhubs.com. So just go to your Google Chrome and type it. Or if you need a app, you can easily go to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to Play Store and look for ATM Hub. As you can see, this is ATM Hub on your Android phone. Then download it. I have it already on my phone, so I don't need to download it. Now let's go back to what we can do with this website. So what can we do with this website? We can actually, want to sign up, you can click on sign up or click on login. After you have registered successfully and you have logged in, you can now go and fund your wallet. Go and fund your wallet, then you can start, you can immediately you fund your wallet, you become our agent, and then you can start buying SME data, corporate data, gifting data, bulk SMS, airtime, NECO results, wiping results. Then you can transfer money to your colleague, cable TV, Go TV, DSTV, and others. Then you have VTU. VTU, you can actually buy card. Just like you buying card from your bank app, but here you buy it at cheap price, and you can also resell it to customer. That is the sweetness of this app. You will buy it at cheap rate and sell it to customer at high rate, then you keep your profit for yourself. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.